Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to lock the screen of your ASUS VivoBook S15 laptop. To lock your laptop screen, you're just gonna have to click on the start icon, then go to power options and then select lock. And the alternative way is using keyboard shortcuts to do the same thing. And to lock your device's display using keyboard shortcuts, you just have to press Windows button and L button simultaneously. So Windows and L will result in your device's screen being locked. And so that's how you do it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.